So our bird is giving birth of egg. One egg, this one egg, L2. Because it's 2 today. So I think still have left egg in his bumpy. She's a female. We have unfertile egg from other bird. Okay. So this egg, I see that there's a little crack. You could see there's a little crack on this area. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is to replace. To put something here. I will crack this unfertile egg to cover the place where it's cracked. Okay? Let's see. You need to make sure that still have a little bit space so that it will be replace. It will work. Just a little bit thick to all the breeders. So also put here to maintain little bit. So like this. Now the shape is become like this. I crack the unfertile egg, this one, and I replace it because this bird is really good bird. Okay, the breed is good. I don't know what happened, but I think he have a problem by giving birth. That's why he died. Still have egg here inside his body, one egg left. So let's check this. So I put all, covered every little bit crack. His egg little bit crack, maybe have complained why he's giving birth. So that's it. Thank you.